HIV infection is the most potent risk factor for converting latent TB infection into active TB disease. Safe sex, such as using condoms, the chance of HIV infection is minimal because it prevents not only HIV but other sexually transmitted infections. And the catchword or phrase is get it on before you get it on. And I say this to you, the youth of this country. We all want you to have your fun. No one is preventing you from doing it. Have your fun, but think again, and use common sense. Avoid getting HIV while there is no cure for HIV. That is what you must do, because you have your whole future in front of you, so that you can live your dreams.
I've seen the effects of HIV/AIDS in other parts of the world. I don't want my children to get it. I don't want any of you to get it. And the only way that we can avoid that is by talking about it.
But you and I, we know what's right and what's wrong, and that's what we have to do. Whatever you do, stay clear of HIV.